If you're just starting to think about Social Security, you're likely wondering how it works, when you can start collecting, and how much you can expect to get each month. Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving into the ultimate guide to Social Security for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the system and how to make the most of it, especially when planning for your retirement. Before we jump in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in the next 2 weeks, be sure to check the first link in the description for a free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using Gold IRAs to protect their wealth from inflation, market volatility, and potential risks in the system. If you have more than 100Ks in your IRA or 401k, or even up to 5 Men Plus in savings, it's worth taking a look. But now, let's get back to Social Security. Let's first tackle the basics. Social Security is a program that provides financial assistance to retirees, disabled individuals, and their families. It's funded through payroll taxes taken from your income during your working years. For many, it's a vital part of the retirement strategy. But how much can you expect? The average monthly Social Security payment in 2023 was about $1,800, but this amount can vary greatly depending on when you decide to start receiving benefits. Now, you may be wondering, when should I start taking my Social Security benefits? You can begin collecting as early as 62, but your monthly payments will be reduced if you start before your full retirement age. Your full retirement age depends on the year you were born. For example, if you were born in 1960 or later, your full retirement age is 67. Waiting to collect until you reach full retirement age will get you 100% of your benefits. But here's the kicker. If you wait beyond your full retirement age, you'll earn what's called a delayed retirement credit. This increases your benefits by about 8% each year you delay, all the way up until age 70. So, if you can afford to wait, delaying your benefits could mean a significantly higher monthly payment in the future. Now, while Social Security is important, it's not meant to be your only source of income during retirement. In fact, many financial planners suggest that Social Security should only replace about 30-40% of your pre-retirement income. This is where Gold IRAs come in. They can help you diversify your wealth and hedge against inflation. While Social Security is a steady source of income, Gold IRAs offer protection in a world where the dollar's value can fluctuate unpredictably. Another thing to keep in mind is taxation. Depending on your total income during retirement, a portion of your Social Security benefits could be subject to taxes. If you're married and your combined income exceeds $32,000, or if you're single and your income is above $25,000, up to 85% of your Social Security benefits could be taxed. This is something to consider when planning your overall retirement strategy. It's also important to note that Social Security has rules in place for working while collecting benefits. If you start collecting before your full retirement age and still work, your benefits could be reduced depending on how much you earn. For every $2 you earn over the annual limit, $1 will be deducted from your Social Security benefits. Once you reach full retirement age, this penalty no longer applies. Now, when it comes to your spouse or dependents, there are benefits for them as well. If your spouse has low earnings or has never worked, they may be eligible for a spousal benefit, which is up to 50% of your benefit at full retirement age. And if something were to happen to you, your spouse could qualify for survivor benefits. One final point. While Social Security can play a significant role in your retirement, it's important to remember that it's only part of the puzzle. If you have significant savings, say more than 100K in your IRA or 401k, or even more than $5 in savings, your wealth can benefit from additional strategies like a Gold IRA, which helps secure your savings for the long haul. That's why, if you haven't already, you should check the first link in the description to grab your free Gold IRA guide, because it can help protect your wealth as you navigate through retirement. If you're ready to get started, make sure to take advantage of the free Gold IRA consultation available for those with 100K plus in savings. This could be the next step in building a strong, secure retirement plan. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to Social Security. By understanding the system and how it fits into your retirement strategy, you'll be well on your way to making smart financial decisions.